A man of mass 70 kg stands on a weighing scale in a lift which is moving with different cases. Now we will see each and every case. Now first of all, weighing scale reading is equal to normal reaction by G. So this is the reading of weighing scale. Now we'll see the first case. So lift is moving upwards with a uniform speed of 10 meter per second. Now if it is uniform speed, downward force, net force equal to 0. That means downward force is nothing but his weight, and upwards normal reaction will be there. Both will be balanced so that net force equal to 0. So that implies N equal to mg. So that implies reading of the weighing scale is equal to N by G is equal to mg by G. So is equal to M, nothing but 70 kg. This is the reading in the first case. Coming to second case. In the second case, lift is going downwards with a uniform acceleration of 5 meter per second square. Now, his weight is always downward direction. Normal reaction is always upward direction. It is going in downward direction means, so net force is in downward direction. That net force equal to mg minus n. As per Newton's second law, net force is equal to mass into acceleration. So that implies n equal to m into g minus a is equal to m into, here m value is 70 into g minus a. Let's take g equal to 10 minus acceleration he has given 5 is equal to 70 into 5. Now reading of the weighing scale is equal to n by g is equal to 70 into 5 by, because n value equal to 70 into 5 by g value equal to 10. So here 35 kg. While lift is going downward direction with acceleration 5 meter per second square, then mass of that guy is equal to 35 kg. Now third one. In the third one, lift is going upwards with a uniform acceleration of 5 meter per second square. Now here weight of the person is always vertically downward direction, normal reaction always vertically upward direction. Now lift is going upward direction with an acceleration of 5 meter per second square. So in this case, since it is going upward direction, n is greater than mg, net force equal to n minus mg. From Newton's second law, we can write net force equal to mass into acceleration. So that implies n equal to m into g plus a. Now, reading of the weighing scale is equal to n by g. So is equal to m into g plus a by g. Now we'll substitute all the values. M equal to 70, g plus a, that means 10 plus 5 by g, 10 is equal to 70 into 15 by 10. So is equal to 105 kg. So this is the weight of the person, nothing but mass of the person when the lift is going in upward direction. Now coming to fourth one. What would be the reading if the lift mechanism failed and it hurtled down freely under gravity? Now in the fourth one, here weight is always downward direction, in upward direction normal reaction will be there. Now it is going downward direction freely. So that means with an acceleration of g. So here in this case I can write mg minus n equal to mass into acceleration, but here this acceleration is nothing but g, because it is going downward direction with acceleration g, freely falling. So that implies mg minus n is equal to mg will be cancelled. So that implies n equal to 0. So reading of the scale weighing machine is n by g is equal to 0. That means, so the person will feel weightlessness. So in that case, reading of the machine is equal to 0.